Okay, so my grand ambition of doing more videos and giving more detail on the project, I kind of decided to back off that because of time constraints. If you can see in the back, that's a baby monitor. My wife and I have a child, and turns out he's a lot of work. Like, it's good work, but it's like a lot. And anyway, I'm gonna start to push ahead on the project here with the KX, and tonight I'm gonna start dismantling it. I was gonna dismantle it and then do some videos on rebuilding the engine and stuff, but we're currently going through a sleep regression with the little guy, and straight up just not getting a lot of sleep. Then I can kind of chip away at this thing like an hour or two at a time. So anyway, I will show progress of where it's at now, and then also where we're gonna be, and yeah, so I guess I'll get at it. Okay, so the KX is up on a stand. I built another little workspace over here just to kind of keep some things more handy. I had some cabinets there. They've now moved over here in the micro shop, and then just a whole mess of mountain bikes and road bikes and stuff. Anyway, I'm gonna start to tear this thing down, and basically my goal is to get this thing down to a point where I kind of can get the weight of it without the engine, and all like the fuel pump and everything else. Basically get all of the internal combustion stuff off of it, so I can take a weight and then make a decision on the motor. Right now I am leaning towards a BAC controller, and maybe just to keep things simple, 10 to 20 kilowatt Golden motor. Probably gonna do 72 volt, just because, I don't know, I've been taking a look at lots of other people's builds and it seems pretty adequate. So anyway, I'm gonna stop talking and I'm going to get working.
All right, so tonight's progress, got it a little bit stripped down, which is nice. The baby only woke up twice. These are the parts I probably won't be reusing. Well, I don't really know, actually. Maybe one of the radiators, if I go liquid cooled with the motor, potentially part of the airbox, just so I can have that mud flap shroud for the shock. And I will be reusing these because I'm going to use the tank. And then the plastics, likely just going to get new plastics because these ones are pretty beat up. And I'd like a different color. But no, it's coming together. So anyway, more on all that later.
All right, so the bike has the engine out. Check it out. Yeah, super surprised at how light that motor is, actually. It does not weigh a ton. I got it squirreled away in the back corner, and they probably can't see that. But anyway, it's pretty light, and the frame and everything look like it's in great condition. I haven't seen any cracks or anything, but I'm starting to scrub up parts. So let me just show this here. I think is that. Nope. So anyway, there's a bunch of like really greasy parts and stuff. This is the airbox. I'm going to be reusing part of that and the mud flap. So I have this good old Home Depot tub filled full of simple green, and just getting things degreased. So I'll probably wash through all of those just because I like working with clean parts. I'm gonna have to clean up these and post all this stuff for sale. That header is pretty much pooched, so probably won't try and sell that. But yeah, that's where I'm at now with the build. Time to get cleaning.